Xin chào. Something I learned in Vietnam. I guess it means hello, good morning, or I like your shoes. I'm not really sure. But that's how we greeted one another. Welcome to another great episode here at the Pastor's Pantry Cooking School. I'm your host, Chef Sam Peters, and we've got a great Asian class we're working on today, and we're going to start off by making some spring rolls. But before we get into all of that, let me share with you, as we do every class, the gospel of good taste. The two things that Joyce and I are most passionate about. The first, that we believe everything's about stewardship, that every good and perfect gift we have is given to us by God, and food's no different. Food is a gift, and we want to try to teach you some things today about food that will help you make every dining experience great at your house. The second thing we're passionate about is we believe God created us to be in community with one another. We are social beings, and social, we believe, has more to do with gathering around the table with people you know and love, breaking bread together, and building relationships. We believe that because Jesus believed and practiced that. And so we want to try to help you lift your game a little bit at home around the dinner table so that when you gather your folks around the table, once again, it'll be a sacred place and a sacred time, and God will be in the middle of it. Well, we are doing some Asian egg rolls for you. Want to kind of go over what goes in that. So let's look at the ingredients. We have 2 pounds of ground pork, 2 teaspoons ground ginger, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. We're going to need 4 cups of shredded cabbage, 6 ounces of shredded carrots, 20 egg roll wrappers, and sesame seeds for garnish. So what we've done earlier is we went ahead and browned up our 2 pounds of pork. We drained that, and then we put that back in the pan along with our cabbage and our carrots. And we're just wilting this down just a little bit. I want the cabbage and the carrots softened, but I don't want them mushy, okay? So we just want to saute these down, wilt them down a little bit. I still like crispness in my egg rolls. And I'll call these egg rolls and spring rolls. I use them interchangeably, but they're egg rolls, okay? And we're going to do something a little different with these. Instead of deep frying them, you can totally deep fry these if you want. You'll just need enough vegetable oil to be able to cover these, and you want to heat that at 375 degrees, and then you'll lower these gently down into the oil. Fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes until they're golden brown. But we're going to do something different today. We're actually going to air fry these, and so we'll just put those in the air fryer. We'll brush them with a little bit of oil, and we'll cook them for a few minutes until they get nice and crispy. But this is looking good, Joyce. I think we got it. It's heated all the way through. The cabbage and the carrots are still crispy, but they're hot all the way through. They wilted down a little bit, and we've got the sausage well mixed, okay? We have a little bit of water. That's our glue for our egg rolls. And the egg roll package, am I on this camera right here?
You are now.
Okay, there's my egg rolls. Okay, that's what you want to get, the big egg roll wrappers. Okay. That's what you want to pick up. Different stores hide them in different places in your store. Just look for them. They're out there. Okay? But we want to take these and we're going to lay it out in a diamond shape. And then all I want to do is just take a spoonful of our mixture. Maybe about 1.5 tablespoonful. That's all I'm doing there. And we're going to take our water, and that's going to be our glue, okay? So all you need to do is just wet the edges of your egg roll wrapper, okay? We're going to start off by pulling that end over. Then I like to kind of pull it tight. We're going to roll it a little bit, and then I'm going to bring this up, and tuck those in, and then we're just going to finish rolling those up, okay? That's simple, very, very easy. Okay, let me do one more just to show you. Again, we'll set our egg roll out there. Take our water, wet the edges. Cover that end over, pull it a little tight, and then we can bring this up. We'll use a little bit more water in there. Clean those up, and then we'll just finish rolling it up just like that. Okay, now what we're going to do, again, we're going to spray these with a little bit of oil. We're going to put them in the air fryer and fry them up, and we'll show you what they look like on the other side. Hey, we want to make a great sweet vinegar dipping sauce for our egg rolls. So let me tell you what we have in here. We have 4 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of warm water, a cup of rice wine vinegar, 4 teaspoons of sriracha chili sauce, 4 tablespoons of lime juice, 4 teaspoons of fish sauce, or you can use tamari, 4 tablespoons of finely shredded carrots, and 4 tablespoons of finely sliced green onion. We've already put our rice wine vinegar in a large mason jar. We're going to add all of our ingredients to that. The next thing I want to add in here is our sugar and our warm water. We're going to go ahead and add our lime juice, our fish sauce, and our sriracha ketchup. It's not sriracha ketchup, actually, just sriracha sauce, sorry. All right, we're going to go ahead and finely dice our green onion. I'm going to start down here on the green side. Just want some nice thin slices to be in here. All right, that should do it. I'm going to add those to our dipping sauce as well. And then we're going to add our carrot. Let's get all of that in there. This is just some finely shredded carrot. And then we just put a lid on here. And we're going to shake it up to emulsify it, and then our sauce will be ready. This will help integrate that sugar, sweeten it up a little bit. Okay. All right, now let me show you our egg rolls. They turned out fantastic in the air fryer. We did these, was it 390, Joyce?
390.
390 degrees. We did it for 3 minutes, pulled it out, turned them over, and it went another minute longer, so about 4 minutes. Joyce says 2 minutes. I thought it said it still had a minute left to go on there. 4 to 5 minutes, whatever works for you, okay? But I want to show you what these look like. So we're going to put a little bit of our dipping sauce in here. So there's what our egg rolls look like. Fantastic. Make these. You'll thank me later. Blessed cooking to you.